have to read it first.
Yeah, it hasn't happened yet.
Rocking in my school shoes. Here comes Pete, strolling down the street. Rocking red school shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete goes to school. Pete is going to school. And he sings this song. Rocking in my school shoes. Jun, jun, jun. Rocking in my school shoes.
Is that what it's saying?
Try again.
I'm rocking in my school shoes. Dun, dun, dun.
Very good.
I'm rocking in my school shoes. What are all the cats doing?
Where do you think they're going?
To school.
Yeah, what does this say?
Pete's lunch.
Okay.
Pete is
Sitting.
sitting at his desk waiting when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete." Down that hall to a room with books on every wall. Where is Pete going?
Where's Pete going?
To the library. The library. Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds his favorite book and sings his song. I am reading in my school shoes. I am reading in my school shoes. I am reading in my school shoes. But tell me why they're sitting over there and he's sitting over here.
Well, probably he's waiting for his friends to sit down.
Why?
That bird better move, huh?
Why?
Because look at that fork that cat has. You think he's looking at that bird and thinking it looks mighty tasty?
Where's that bird? Where are they sitting?
At lunch.
But are they sitting inside or outside?
Inside.
Probably inside.
But how'd the bird get inside?
Well, remember how that bird got in Nana's garage last weekend?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, probably.
How do the
flew
cats
out.
get inside?
What?
And since when do cats use forks?
But Pete's lunch. Check out Pete. He's ready to eat in a big, naughty,
Noisy.
noisy room with tables and streets.
Look again.
Streets.
Eats. Seats.
Where is Pete?
Where is Pete?
In the lunchroom. It can be loud in the.
No, let's try again.
It can be loud and burfully.
Busy.
Busy in the lunchroom. Does Peter worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his favorite friends and sings his song. Look at that bird.
Mm-hmm.
Is he gonna eat that bird?
I don't know, but that bird better move.
I'm eating in my school shoes. Dun, dun, dun. I'm eating in my school shoes. Dum, yum, yum. I'm eating in my school shoes. Yum, yum, yum. But tell me, is he gonna get eaten?
No, he's outside. He can fly. He can fly away.
Pete and his friends are playing outside on the green grassy field where with swings and a tall slides. Where is Pete? Ow!
Kids
are wearing in every done. Lin.
Direction.
Every
Direction.
kids are running every direction.
In every direction.
Does Pete worry? Goodness no. He sits, he slides and swings and sings his song.
Are you gonna sing?
Playing in my school shoes, playing in my school shoes, playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes, I'm playing in my school shoes. All day long, Pete sits, sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm worrying,
Writing.
riding in my school shoes. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. City bus.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
Why is it a city bus instead of a school bus?
I'm not sure. Scooter. That doesn't make sense, does it?
Pete's mom asked him, "What did you do today at school?"
What did you?
Do at school today? And Pete says, I rocked in my school shoes. Was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school, and I will do it again tomorrow. Why does it say school zone?
Because.
What does school zone mean? Behind.
No, you know that word.
Bet.
Be.
Because it's all good.
That's right. Good job, friend.
Down
Good
here,
job.
the Pete.
Oh, look, this is why it says city bus. See, we just saw this part of it. When we looked at that picture, we just saw city bus. But what does it really say?
Cat City. School bus.
That's what it was. Some of the words were cut off in that other picture. See, it's really a school bus for Cat City, but we just saw city bus.